AKIAMA ya kurungamira arimo rungu rwa gikundi gya KUPPET nibekite MUCEMANIO jwaja miru arabaririte MANTU KATHUMBA jege gikundi giki bakiaria jamwe jara AKIAMA eji jariritie ni gukonia MICAARA yao bakiuga nandika gitani gakinyika MICAARA yao ithirwe gitegerwa harabugite babatere kuongerwa na gatigati ga gicunci kia 37 kuma kirigana nibacokete bendekithia kinyamarupurupu jao jethirwe jakiongerwa amwe na mendekithia jangi KATHUMBA muthuri Muriuki ari na ripoti je
Jonarwa AKIAMA ya Kuppet kuma kaunti Meru nibejite amwe bathite MUCEMANIO jwao jaba gutongeretere mwandiki munene AKIAMA kiao no akarutinchebere kiri MUCEMANIO jojo ibonekene bakaria mantu ya junior secondary ile bagite nandi nibiri gwito ki primary school na kureto ki secondary nikenda gutigera kithomo giki kigwitambere bwega.
So colleague teachers, it must be borne in mind that the presidential one-camp committee on education reforms went against KUPPET's submission of domiciling the JSS learners in nearby day secondary schools. This was our position. Where we have the necessary human resources, libraries, laboratories, and the culture that we want to inculcate into these young minds. So, when they were taken to primary schools, tukasema ni sawa, wacha tuone vile hao watu wanataka.
JSS teachers, majority of them are the ones who are implementing CBC. So in turn, Kesa Chama, our education is being implemented by casual laborers. Casual laborers. What would be wrong if Teacher Service Commission is given money to transform all JSS intern teachers to permanent and principal terms? That's the demand of the union.
Bobo bagwitari mo baba kugerania ibokurukira mithango kwe mingi muno undubrana ne bakona thirikari thwegitegera migambore gwatimbaru ne mwandiki muno kia magiki ndene Kenya no emisori ya kelo.
The Kenya National Examinations Council continued churning out policies without consulting the key stakeholders in education. For instance, today the center managers are forced to pick exams twice in a day. Surely, what is this? Some of these people who give us policies is as if they have never traveled throughout this country, where they see where some of these institutions are located.
What is so important about KCPE that the teachers who have been teaching them cannot administer them? That you have to have twice visit to the container in a day because
teachers are professionals. We should not be treated like okas hata kama hii serikali ni asolas. Sisi usituweke kwa hiyo group ya maasolas seriously hata kama tunazo, lakini we also to some extent.
TSC disciplining us because of this exam regularity, we are taking that matter to court. You have no business totally. Tell CEO that we have to make attack of this. We cannot be disciplined because of exams which have been leaked by examination council itself. The exams are in WhatsApp and in Instagram at 4 a.m. and before any head teacher or principal has reached the container. And then you rush to that school and you say that you have found irregularity in your students. Things must be put into their correct context. This time round, we must take them by the horns.
Kiri kiatho giki Felicite Bireri urane musiasa ndene kaunti Meru na kinyamo kadigiti wa mbondi ya nchugo ndene Kenya augite nandira mabango KATHUMBA idakona kuwatana na arimu nikenda gutira na gutetheria machukuru ndene Meru.
I have 3 projects that I'm going to be partnering with schools. One is waste management. We have a program where we are recycling papers and we are working with Chandaria Industries to produce sanitary pads to reduce menstrual poverty. So the papers, the waste paper, we collect it, take it to the industrialists, and we produce sanitary pads that we bring back to the students. We also have another program on the Greening Kenya campaign, where we want to help to accelerate the 15 billion trees that we are planting in 10 years. I studied human resource management in my undergraduate degree. In every board that I have served in, I have sat in the Human Resource Management Committee, and I normally chair that committee. I have seen the importance of the ability to write and to communicate. People come for interviews, they are very good performers, they are not able to communicate. I have launched the Felicity Biriri spelling and debating competition for schools in Meru County, because I want our children to be able to communicate effectively, so that when they present themselves in an interview, they are able to carry the day. When they
Ngiripotera uru weekend mbeta muthuri Murioki.